Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So in this video I have something very special information for especially Vechain holder, because my brother, this time as you can see here, the price of Vechain were fails down minus 2.87%. I think this is very small fails, but definitely my friend, you know why the main thing my friend, to I want to tell you this time to why the price for fails down, because everybody know this too, Vechain will completely pumps up in the last 10 days of every month. So therefore it's very bad news for all of you, but don't worry my brother. I will ABS Tech channel will give you 100% guarantee to, if you follow ABS Tech channel instruction, definitely you will never lose and you will get every month very good profits now. So kindly you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more step informative videos now. Vechain were fails down, there are two main reasons my friend, because their coin were fails down. This is a two main reason. The first reason and the main reason is that my brothers, to especially short-term investor, when see my friend the huge jump, so they are decide to this is selling time, and definitely they were fails down. So therefore my brother, hope you understand my brothers, to when a short-term investor starting selling, so the coin were fails down. And the second reason my friend, the second reason is that my brothers, to every coin will moving and this circulation, to after a jump every coin will pumps, every coin will dumps, and after a dumps every coin will pumps. So therefore my brother, after a very huge jump, Vechain will fails down. So this is the two main reason my friend which I tell you my brother, and absolutely this is the main reasons of Vechain fails now. So kindly holder, if you want to be safe from loss, so you will need to hold and wait for a good time. I will give you guarantee to they will give you a profit, but if you just only hold and wait. So thanks for watching Vechain holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.